Hello, we are still at Dupuy Campground off of Lake Okeechobee here. We're heading out for a bike ride, if you couldn't tell. There is a really cool boardwalk, alligator infested area, so Pistol's gonna stay behind for this little trek. But we just spent the last couple days, our friends Margaret and Garnet from Ontario, Canada have been down here, and there's Zion, and so we kind of joined up with them, and they've been hanging out. They're a little camera shy, so we didn't film while they were here, but
lots of good food, good conversations, good campfires.
Yep.
Good food. Did I say good food?
You said good food.
A lot of good food.
It's all about the good food. So we do have the RV show coming up here very quickly, but we're gonna take today and head out on the bike, and I have an idea for a camera shot I want to get. So we'll see once we get out to the swamp if it's gonna work.
It'll work.
It'll work? All right. Whoa, so cool.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah, I wonder what that plant is. Oh, there's a beautiful bird over there. Oh,
It's like a peacock for a second.
I don't know, but that was a cool noise.
But it's not.
No. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. Take one of our little GoPro sessions, and we brought some cord, and we're going to lower it down into the water underneath this green plant. I want to see what's underneath there. Yeah, let's do that. It's pushed in all the way, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Makes me nervous. Here it goes. That's a long way down. I just have to know what's under there.
Hold on a second. What'd I do here?
I don't know. Redo. Okay, take two, here we go. Let's try another spot, like right in the middle of the green.
Gander.
Sure. Ooh, fish jumped.
There
Or
might be a
something.
frog over there.
Oh, it's stuck in the roots. Whoa, something big jumped over here. Put it down over here. Something huge jumped in there.
This is really a smart thing for us to do.
This is so smart. It's out of control. I won't know what we see until I get back to the campfire.
I know, anticipation's gonna drive me nuts.
Dave's getting the drone out. Let's see what magic he comes with. It's been a minute since you've flown the drone.
Yeah, hopefully I don't crash it.
Oh, whoa, why would we say that? Don't jinx it. All right, check this out. Hopefully it's good. done with the drone, done with dropping the camera in the water. This was fun out here, and it's so quiet. There's nobody out here. This is crazy. So it's about, how many more miles back to camp? 7?
6.5 miles to camp.
6.5 miles to camp from here. So we will book it back and see what that puppy's up to. I'm guessing she's sleeping. We've been walking a lot every day.
We've walked like 6 miles today, I think. Between 5 and 6 miles easy.
Yeah. So.
And bike riding.
Mm-hmm.
Beast mode.
Beast mode. Yeah, all right, let's get back to camp. Hi. Hey, you have to be on a leash. Come here. Did you miss us?
Come here.
Was you a good girl?
Oh, come here. Sorry we were gone like 2.5 hours. Oh. Did you? Oh, you're warm. You've been sleeping.
Oh, she took naps. Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Good girl.
Boy.